by believing in the American Christianity, then I'm saved. Saved from what? Saved against yourself. Angithi Ndlovukazi kukhona into nje. Let's look at American Christianity. Kukhona into withdrawayo ngoba uma ingayi-emphasize leyo nto, it's gonna cause ukuthi abantu babaleke bazo-reconsider. You see, the whole thing of being a follower of Christ, mulandela ezinyathelweni zika Jesu, it's permanent. Awukwazi ukushintsha, awukwazi ukuphuma. Because uJesu kwangalandelwa yena. Yena into ayeyenza wayekwenza ukuthi ungene esivumelwaneni ukuthi uzothobela intando kayise. Uyasho nje uthi I of my own I do nothing except by the power of the Father in heaven. Ukufaka esivumelwaneni sika baba wakhe. I've never seen a verse in the Bible like uJesu khona ubongilandela uthandaze mina ukholelwe kumina. Kodwa time and again ukhuluma nge-kingdom of God. Now that to me is amazing because if people can adopt that consciousness and thinking, in a flourish Christianity. Akasibheke futhi i-American Christianity. I-American Christianity Ndlovukazi, it focuses on individual salvation. Akasibheke iBhayibheli ethini lona. iBhayibheli lidila with individual and systematic redemption. Mhlawumbe ake sifune iverse eBhayibhelini. Isaiah 61, Luke 4, 17-19. Lalela mlaleli lapha ekhaya. Funda uLuke 4, 17-19. Ake ngiphinde futhi. Luke 4, 17-19. Ngifuna ufundeni Jesus' first sermon text in Nazareth. Eyakhothwa ubani? U-Isaiah lapha ku-61. Now, what Americans do, Ndlovukazi, Americans preach and interpret the passages in the Bible in an individual manner only. However, uma ufunda Isaiah 61 verse 1-4, uzobona clearly that the gospel not only saved and healed our individuals, but it also transformed the whole cities. The gospel as South Africa and America, it doesn't change cities, it only changes individuals. And unfortunately, these individuals can't change anybody. It's interesting, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. The so-called Christians. Ngithi mina wemKristu. Hamba uyesidakweni umKristu ndini uyofunda uthando ubuqotho okuthembeka. Uyazi isidakwa singakubamba isidakwa. Sihambe nani manidakweni nobabili nize niyongena ekhaya.
Siklalise ngathi
sithi mfowethu ngicela ningamniki lutho ke manje uzobuyisa umngane wami omkhulu isidakwa ngithi umKristu wenze njani
ngilungisela ngotshwala
copycat yaseAmerica. Can't South African Christians realize themselves they are fakes? They are pure fakes of American Christianity. I think, Ndlovukazi, what needs to happen, the sooner South African Christians dump American Christianity, which is nothing else by stripes and reinvent the gospel of Christ by reading the script, means understanding that it will change everything. So there's so much.
All right.